Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to convert any coin within the BingX Exchange. First you need to open the BingX Exchange, then you need to click on the mode here. After clicking on the mode, you will need to click on convert again. After clicking on convert, you must click here first to select the coin in which your fund is. So my fund is in USDT here, so I will select USDT. After selecting USDT, you will need to click here again and select the coin you want to convert to. So I will convert to XRP here. I will select XRP. After selecting XRP, you need to enter the amount you want to convert. So I will enter $100 here. Then you will see here how much you will get in exchange for $100. You will get XRP. Then you need to click on convert here. It will successfully convert from USDT to XRP. So you can convert any coin this way within the BingX Exchange. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.